How do you stop being insecure? Simple. Stop attacking yourself. Look at what you're doing. You're building achievements, identities, success, all these external things to prove you're worthy, to feel valuable, to feel secure, to feel recognized. You build a fortress of medals, diplomas, beauty, status, stacking up walls to protect yourself. But the moment someone challenges that fortress, you crumble, you falter. Not because they broke in, but because you attack yourself first. Think about it. Kahit gaano kataas, gaano kaganda at kakapal yung pader mo, if the one tearing it down is you, what's the point? You work yourself to the bone. Spend money, sacrifice your happiness, sacrifice everything, all to build this so-called protection. But if you're fighting yourself from the inside, all of that is useless. From the word itself, insecure. You lack security inside you. All these walls, all these external walls you've built, they're just perimeter defenses. But if your core is weak, the slightest shake, boom, another ground zero. And you start all over again. Have you ever wondered why, even if napakalayo na nang naabot mo, napakarami mo nang narating, you will still feel empty? So how do you stop being insecure with yourself? Be secure within you. And how do you do that? That's the real question. That's the real challenge. The one thing most people refuse to face. Even you already know how to do that. But eventually you forgot because you ignore it. Because instead of turning inward, you keep running in circles, avoiding yourself, building on a broken foundation. And if you don't fix that, every time life shakes you, you're back to zero. Or if not, you will feel empty. So how do you actually secure yourself? Honey, you only need to rebuild your core.